So I'm not really a prepper. I wouldn't consider myself a very prepared person, but after the pandemic a couple years ago, it really kind of solidified the idea that you just really don't know what could happen. And even as something as simple as the electricity in your town going out for a few days, I mean, things could get pretty silly pretty fast, and it started to worry me. So I started making sure that I had some gear just stashed away in my car or in my house in case I needed it. It's like paying for insurance. You hope you never need it, but if you do need it, it's really nice if it's there. So I buy these little kits. These are very reasonably priced, and they come with so many things in here that you will probably never need, but it's really nice to have if you do need them. I'm not going to pull them all out because there's so much stuff packed in here. It's crazy. It's going to have all your basic survival essentials like a raincoat and blanket, paracord, knife, a shovel. There's even a folded up shovel in this kit. But most importantly, a fire starter. If you've ever tried to start a fire without a lighter, you're going to know that it's insanely difficult. They sometimes make it look easy on TV. It's not. So just having a simple fire starter in here is probably worth the price of this kit alone. They also have medical supplies and bandages and things. Pretty much anything that you might need is probably in here. And I like to stash these things since they're so small and compact. Just stash one in my car, one in the garage, one in the house, right? If you had a camp, just throw this under the sink in your camp and you're gonna have all those things like you didn't realize you needed Band-Aids. There's some in here. For me, these things are so reasonably priced and so compact, it's pretty silly to not have things on hand just in case you're gonna need them. So for me, I like this specific kit that has all the different things that I think I might need, and I would definitely recommend it.